Hey there, do you ever have to put out a ton of content or want to share a lot of content and really get into video marketing, but you aren't really sure how to come across, what to say when? And, I know starting out videos can feel really scary. Been there, done that. And sometimes you just got to do it anyways. But there's a really great formula to create stellar videos where you get people to watch the whole entire video, you share who you are, and you get some great call to actions at the end so that you can get more subscribers, more leads on your e-list, and get it all done in one great shot. So I'm going to share that formula with you today on a video. Go figure. So I am Lyndsay Phillips with Smooth Sailing Business Growth, and we create, publish, optimize, and promote content for busy entrepreneurs just like you to attract and acquire more customers faster with powerful content marketing. So as mentioned, just doing videos can feel really overwhelming, and you don't need to write a whole entire, word for word script, but you have to have some structure, right? And you have to pull people into the video. So I'm going to share a really fantastic formula that I share with my clients that I use lately, and it's super quick and easy if you really dial it down. So the first thing you want to do is have a hook, right? You want to reel them in. You want to let them know that, yes, they are in the right place. So it's kind of like those questions, right? If you don't have time to do this, blah, 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 blah. If you don't know how to something, you've been scratching your head, you kind of give them that hook that, yeah, I want to know that. I want to listen more. I want to understand how to do X, Y, Z. So you need to lead with the hook. Don't lead with who you are, lead with the hook. You want to catch their attention, right? Now, the next thing that you want to do is give the promise. You want to let them know what you're going to share. What is the purpose of your video? So just like I did today, I'm going to share with you the formula of how to structure your video so that, and so on and so on. So you want to let them know what they're about to watch and hear. Then you can get into the intro. So that's the part like I did today. I'm Lyndsay with Smooth Sailing Business Growth, what I do. So you give that value proposition to give them in a nutshell how you can serve them and what your superpower is. So that would be third. So fourth is the story. So, and this doesn't really have to be long. It's kind of like painting that picture, right? Putting the person in that place. So like imagine, when you're doing videos, how much you struggle, you feel nervous because you don't know what to say, you don't know how to structure it. So you're relating to the other person, but you're painting that picture or that story and setting them up for the great value in that information that you promised them that's coming up next. So yes, now you are finally going to get into the guts of the video and what it is that you're going to share. Again, a lot of these videos you kind of want to keep, 2 to 4 or 5 minutes, maybe at the most. So you want to keep it condensed. So if you share 1 tip or 2 tips or 3 quick points, you want to keep it really quick and concise. And that way too, it's structured for you, right? So you're not rambling on and off and going off on tangents. You're just going to keep it really simple and straightforward. And last but not least is your call to action. Don't forget about your call to action. I think it's a great idea to midway in the video to say, hey, if you agree that it's hard to do videos, comment. Or if you do struggle with videos, hit like. Or again, you can just ask tons of questions. Or before we get to the good stuff, make sure you hit subscribe. So you can even kind of seed a call to action throughout those 5 steps. Now at the end, you can get them to like the video, subscribe to YouTube for more tips. You can share another video link, ask them to comment, refer to a resource. Like for instance, on my homepage of smoothbusinessgrowth.com, I have an awesome social media roadmap, so you can go there to get a free copy and template for yourself. See what I did there? And again, sharing a lead magnet, sharing an event that you have coming up, and share just some great content. And you do want to convert people to your e-list, right? So that's it. That's all. So you've got I'll recap real quick here. So you've got the hook, you've got the promise, the intro, you can throw in the story there, the guts, which is the value bombs, and your call to action. So if you have that structure with your videos, you'll have gold, and you'll have lots of great stuff to share, and you will grow your e-list. So that is it for today, folks. Have a profitable and productive week, and may the wins always be at your back.